Module 10, Nutrients involved in energy metabolism and blood health. Vitamins and metabolism. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for various physiological functions in our bodies. They play a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being as they are required for proper metabolism. Although vitamins are required in small amounts for normal physiological functioning, they do not directly provide any amount of energy for our cells. However, vitamins are necessary for obtaining energy from macronutrients. Additionally, vitamins cannot be synthesized in sufficient quantities by the body. Vitamins are obtained from a variety of sources including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, dairy products, and animal-based foods. A key function of vitamins within the body is to serve as a coenzyme. A coenzyme is a molecule that combines with an enzyme to activate it and help it do its job. This type of activity is demonstrated by a set of water-soluble vitamins known as the B vitamins. The B vitamins are especially important for energy metabolism. B vitamins function as coenzymes in several enzymatic processes that support every aspect of cellular physiological functioning, including major functions within the brain and nervous system. The B vitamins include the following: B1, thiamine; B2, riboflavin; B3, niacin; B5, pantothenic acid; B6, pyridoxine; B7, biotin; B9, folate; and B12, cobalamin. Rather than discuss the group's characteristics in general, we will investigate a few examples. B1, thiamine, is coenzyme for the metabolism of some fatty acids. The coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate is required for carbohydrate metabolism. Can be found in enriched foods and whole grains. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to the disease beriberi. Symptoms of beriberi include fatigue, muscle wasting, and nerve damage. B3, niacin, is a coenzyme that assists with the metabolism of carbohydrates and fatty acids. Food sources include meat, fish, poultry, and enriched bread products. Elevated levels of niacin due to supplements may result in toxicity. Deficiency in niacin can lead to the disease pellagra. The condition is often indicated by its 4Ds of symptoms: dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, and death. B9, folate, is involved in DNA synthesis, amino acid metabolism, and red blood cell synthesis. It is critical for cell division of very early embryos, as it is required for cell division and proper formation of the neural tube. The neural tube develops into the brain and spinal cord. Food sources include ready-to-eat cereals and enriched bread products. Toxicity of folate can mask a deficiency in vitamin B12. Deficiency in folate can lead to macrocytic anemia, a condition of low hemoglobin levels. Blood health. Blood is a vital fluid that circulates throughout our bodies, delivering oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and other essential substances while removing waste products. It plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis and supporting various physiological functions. The blood can be divided into two general components, a fluid portion and a solid portion. The fluid portion of the blood is plasma. The solid portion includes the following: erythrocytes, or red blood cells, which transports oxygen through the body. Leukocytes, or white blood cells, are cells that fight infections within the body. Platelets are cell fragments that assist in blood clotting. Collectively, the solid portion of the blood is known as the formed elements. An important vitamin found in the blood is vitamin K. It is a fat-soluble vitamin that is important for bone and blood health. It is also a coenzyme for the synthesis of proteins involved in blood clotting. Food sources of vitamin K include green, leafy vegetables, soybeans, and canola oils. Deficiencies in vitamin K can result from diseases that disturb absorption of fats. Examples of such diseases include Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and cystic fibrosis. Newborns are given vitamin K at birth because they are born with very small amounts of vitamin K stored in their bodies. This can lead to a serious bleeding problem known as vitamin K deficiency bleeding and could result in brain damage and/or death. Another important component of blood is iron. Iron is a trace mineral, meaning it is only found in small amounts within the body. Functions of iron include being a component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in erythrocytes, being a component of myoglobin, which carries oxygen in muscle cells, and being a coenzyme involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Food sources of iron include meat, poultry, fish, enriched cereals, and breads. Further, combining some of these elements together increase the rate of iron absorption. For example, eating meat with beans and vegetables, eating cereal with orange juice, high in vitamin C, and cooking food in a cast iron pan all increases iron intake. However, levels of iron in the blood must not get too high or too low. Iron overdose is the most common cause of poisoning deaths in children. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and confusion. Delayed treatment of iron toxicity, too much iron, can result in severe damage to the heart, central nervous system, liver, and kidneys. Iron deficiency, too little iron, is the most common nutrient deficiency in the world. Iron depletion develops in 3 stages: iron depletion, iron deficiency erythropoiesis, and iron deficiency anemia. Dietary supplements. Dietary supplements are defined by the FDA as products taken by mouth containing a dietary ingredient intended to supplement the diet. These may contain vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, enzymes, or tissues from animal organs. While there are benefits to a person taking supplements, there are also drawbacks as well. Benefits include preventing deficiencies for people who would not otherwise receive certain nutrients, and an increase in energy levels. Drawbacks include potential weight gain, and potential toxicity from overuse. Before purchasing any supplement, the consumer should keep in mind the following points. FDA approval is not needed for marketing. Manufacturers are solely responsible for safety. Sellers are not required to show evidence of safety. There are no federal guidelines to ensure purity, safety, or composition. No rules limiting serving sizes. And, once a supplement is marketed, the FDA must prove it is unsafe for it to be removed from stores.